Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we have a 2009 Kawasaki EX250R Ninja. This bike has just a little under 7,200 miles on it and is in near mint condition. It's got a lot of nice highlights on it with a very, very gentle set down on the right hand side. So let's take a walk around it. I'll show you what I found and then we will fire it up for you. Excuse me. This comes with a dark tinted windscreen. Our service department has put a new front tire on this bike. So when this bike got set down on the right hand side, got a little scuff there on the end of the front brake lever. A little scuff there on the edge of the bar end. A little scratch here in the middle fairing. So I was going to say, you really can't get much more gentle than that. So comes with a tank pad. Aftermarket exhaust. Also has a fender eliminator on it. The back tire looks fairly new. I did find out it's got about 400 miles on the back tire. So, I mean, basically still a new tire, just got scrubbed in. So, got a battery tender lead here and aftermarket grips. So, but I mean really a nice clean 250. $71.75 is what's on it. This special edition EX250R has gone through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day 1,000-mile limited warranty, and as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on your parts, your labor, and of course your accessories. Thank you for shopping Simply Street Bikes.